So this is our dresser that's going to be our sink. I have our sink top on it, and what I did is I put some RedGuard, which is a waterproofing membrane on here, and then I bought some quarter round. It's a not wood; it's a wood-like product, and cut it and glued it on, so it's on there nice and tight. So what I'm going to do now is go in and apply the tile mud and cut some tiles and get it laid. And then when all that's done, then we grout it and put it in the sink. Okay. So we actually have the top of what is going to be the sink area tiled. So this is the same tile that we have on the bathroom floor. So this is the trim. You can see I got so freaking lucky because these tiles fit in here perfectly. And then I just have a spot here where this will be the drain for the sink. And then over here is where the faucet will go. And literally all of this will be covered up by the sink. So this does not matter at all. So what I really want to do is go grab that sink and put it on there, but I'm not going to do that because it'll squish some of the thin set down. But tomorrow I can put it on there, and we'll probably put some grout on it tomorrow. And then in the shower, I got kind of a late start today because we had a lot of client work come in, but looky. Yeah, man. Yeah. So it's hard to see behind here, but we finished the tiling around the cubby, so we had those extra cuts there. And then we put these 2 rows on here today. We put these 2 rows, and then we put these 4 rows. Yes. So that red is called RedGuard. It's a waterproof membrane. You cannot paint on it, which is making me really sad right now. Because what I really want to do is just call it a day at the top. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to see if I can find something to paint over RedGuard that will make it paintable. Because there's no reason to go up to the ceiling. Nobody goes up to the freaking ceiling. And that'll save us some trouble with cutting custom height tiles up there. And that means we would just have 2 rows here, 2 rows here with that special cut. And then we are done. And it's time for grouting and for fixing mistakes, covering up mistakes. So I'm embarrassed to say, but we made a big mistake. Get up here. I didn't make a big mistake on this side. I calculated for the full width of the tile in that upper corner. And the wall comes in, it's not square as it goes down. So that bottom tile is not as wide as the top tile. Well, did I do that on the other side? Well, of course not. No. So I can't even get up here. Jesus freaking. Okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. So you can see that as I'm going up the wall, there is this gap at the joint that's getting bigger and bigger. I think it gets smaller at the top. So what I'm thinking about is getting some sort of other tile to tile on the tile, like a little corner piece. It'll make it look like a corner piece. I could do that on this side and on this side, and it'll look intentional. Yes. And then on this side right here, what we're going to do is there are these kind that are called bullnose, which means, so you can see here, that this is not painted on the side. They do make some tiles that are about 2 inches wide, and then they go down, you know, like a little curve, and then but they're glazed all the way down. So it just had a row of light gray bullnose tile all the way down. But I could solve this problem with painting RedGard. That'll save us a lot of work. So that's the update for today. Yay.